Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all having an amazing day and I hope you're all doing well, and welcome to another video tutorial. In this tutorial, what I will be explaining is how you can use the Bigcommerce app and how you can add your products to your Bigcommerce store. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have entered my account and entered my store on the Bigcommerce app. I am currently on the free trial. However, once you actually set up your store through a process I explained in another one of our videos, you will get to this screen. Now, here, as you can see, you can start accepting orders. You can set up all these processes, such as adding products, setting up shipping, enabling payments, and setting up taxes. And you have a lot of other things that you can do. However, what we are, of course, interested in is adding products to our store. And as you can see, under start accepting orders, the first option is to add products, and this is the first step you need to completing your Bigcommerce store. And of course, if you want a store, you need to actually have products to sell. So let's click on add products, and once we do, we will be taken to this screen. Wait just a second until this loads, guys. Please be patient with me. Let me just check up. All right, so it happened. All right, so here, yeah, you can add a product and you can set up where it is available. And once you set that up, this product is not available in any channel yet. You can assign 2 channels, let's say tutorial business. And once you set that up, please go back. This is taking way too long. I don't know why. Just go back, please. All right, here we go. It should load quickly. But yeah, you just click on that, you enter all the product information that you want, and once you do, you will set up your product in all of your stores and in all of your channels, and that is pretty much it. As you can see, you add basic information, a name, serial number, etc., etc., and once you do, you just describe it, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.